How is chocolate made? This is the raw material for making chocolate. It's cocoa. I'm going to use cocoa today to make chocolate slimy. I can't smell chocolate yet. Transfer the pulp and cover with leaves. Wrap it up. We will ferment this at room temperature for 7 days and check every 3 days. A little moldy. Are you sweating inside? It's okay. We will dry the leaves. I found this airtight jar which has better sealing. We will continue to ferment. 2 more days passed. We'll open it the second time. There's a lot of water in there. The leaves are moldy. Seeing that this leaf is already unusable, just put the pulp in a sealed tank for fermentation. Now, it's finally dry and fermenting. An indescribable stench. Wipe the mucus off the surface. Put in the baking pan. Spread evenly. Dry at 100 degrees for 2.5 hours. The bean has dried up. Listen to the cracking sound and then bake it again at 150 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, it's going to be tilted down to make my sister Ping some chocolate. Is it easy? Finally, it's all dry. We've been here for over an hour. Turn the cocoa into a powder. It looks like chocolate already. Put some sugar in it. Before we move on, add the cocoa butter. Stir it. Put it in the fridge for an hour. You refuse to come out, huh? Come out of this tray now. It is coming out. Master Chow didn't roll over this time. It's delicious. Kind of. Tastes the same with those in stores. It's because of the sugar in it. It hasn't completely melted yet. Oh no!